Hey, good morning, guys. I'm gonna try to do this, the blind challenge, whatever you want to call it, for the, I just had a brain fart. The Tri-lockathon. So, wish me luck here. Well, get my stuff set up real quick before I put on the blindfold and get started. I'll just show you the lock. The lock here does work. Well, it was working. Yeah, there we go. My plan was here to get all the pins the same exact height on the bottom and the same exact height on the top, so when we try to gut it and get it back together, there's a better chance we will actually succeed a little bit. So I'm going to try to put it back together. I might quit right after the first pin if it's just too hard, but that's why I also have this plug follower, because it goes in both sides and it has flat ends. So there's nothing to get us stuck, hopefully. But all right, I'm gonna wrap my mask up here and get started. Okay. All right, that is the rake. Oh God. I already lost my tensioner. I don't even know what was in my hand there. Oh well, I think that was the other pick. Okay, so I don't know if that's the top or bottom of the rake, but yeah, there are 6 pins in here. And I also took the springs. I don't know if that's gonna work. Hold on. Well, SPP it over the top of that pick. I got the other one in my mouth so I don't lose it, sorry. But yeah, as I was saying, I thought it would be hard to get the springs back in, so what I did is I took, you can see the grub screws on the top. I took some springs and stuck them inside of the grub screws and made sure they weren't too tall as to stick out too much. Let me reset this. I was hoping this picking wouldn't take very long, but I hadn't tried to rake it yet or anything either, so it should all just have to go to the top. Since it's a 0-bitted key, it shouldn't be that difficult. Come on. Alright, where's that rake? Maybe not. I'm gonna reset. I feel like the tailpiece was a little too tight there. I also took the spring and the little one piece out of the tailpiece there, so when I gut it, I don't have to mess with that, because my Schlage key tool, or my Schlage tool, just doesn't even fit in there either. So I really just tried to make this as user-friendly as I could. I guess the key would be to get it picked. Alright, got it picked. Alright. We don't need you anymore. So, pinning tray. Oh shit. Oh. There we go. That's not good. Can't be losing stuff on the floor here. Oh well, I'll try to find that in a second. I need to find this now. Now, where'd you go? Okay. The mask is coming off a little bit. The only thing I need to do is make sure I remember where the front is too. Alright. So I picked it that way, so key pins should be up. Nope, nope. Now they're up. Crap. Alright. There's a key pin. You know what? I'm just going to dump them into my hand since they're all the same. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now, I'll do the same for the top. None of the springs should come out because of how I put them under the grub screws. So, all right, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it is in there. 1, 2, 5, 6. Okay, so they should all be laid out now. Let's see here. I did pull it all the way out. I'm pretty sure this is the front. So, I'm gonna try to find my tweezers here. Okay. Now this is gonna be the hard part. And I'm already... Okay, we got 1 pin in there. I have a feeling that I'm going to end up pushing it too far, and they're all just going to start popping back out. But actually, all right, there's 2 pins back in there. Wish I could feel this. Okay. 1, 2, 3. One of these is an upside down key pin, by the way. Let's try not to push it too far. Oh, I dropped it. Let's just see if we can manage to get a couple of other pins back up there. I knew this wasn't going to work out too well, but let's just see how many we can do. So far we've got 2 up there. So we've got a semi-working lock. As long as get the key pins back in there too. Yeah, this is really difficult though. Yeah, I'm not even inside the lock there. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna attempt to get those 3 in the top. Let's just see if we can get the, alright, where's the plug? There it is. I put the key somewhere there. It's gotta be the key. Got it in, alright, good. I'll just put these key pins in by hand here. one key pin. There's two. These little short ones kind of want to roll too. It's kind of difficult. All right, there's three. Oh yeah, it's really hard to find these keyholes here. Or, you know what I'm saying. Chambers. Okay, found number 6, I think. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you know what? Let's just see if we can get this back in there. Hey, it spins. That's good enough for me. So we've got a, I don't even know. Let's take that out and see. Shit. Absolutely not. All right, let's try the other side. Just to see if we can get it locked up. I don't want to turn it because I feel like I may have it. Well, you know what? I think that's good enough for me, but let's, I don't even know where the key pins went. I think they're up here. Alright, we're gonna call that good probably, but I just really want to see if I could get it, at least one pin working in there. Okay. Wait a second, where'd that come from? That's a driver. Where'd all my key pins go? That's a driver. Okay, well, you guys saw, I did get it taken apart and put back together slightly. I mean, it doesn't work, but I got a few oh, it does. Good, it's locked up. So I accomplished what I wanted. And there we go, the key's working, so I mean, shit. I mean, sorry for swearing. Okay, guys. That's my attempt there. So, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye. And, yeah, hopefully some of you guys get yours done, too, because I don't think anyone else has submitted a video yet. Better chances. Anyway, talk to you guys later. Bye.